Hello students, good morning. I'm Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the chapter 12. But once again we will discuss this chapter. It is given in your book Open Skies and this is the chapter number 12. Dear students, in this chapter we will discuss about tourists. Tourists are good or bad for us. Okay students, it is given at the page number 99 of your English Open Skies book. You can see, you can also open the book and you can see the lines where I am reading. Just say students, many people are overjoyed to see the tourist in their countries. Dear students, many people overjoyed. Overjoyed means very glad, happy. Dear students, when someone came in our country, we feel very glad. Okay, when we see a special kind of person or a foreigner in our country, in our villages, then we feel very joyful. Why? Because we get so many things new in that person. So students, just see here, it is given here. Many people are overjoyed to see tourists in their countries. There are so many peoples and who feel overjoyed to see the tourist in their country. It is good to show other people how you live and what your country is like. And just see, it is good to show other people, and we sometimes also feel very good to show the other person what we do and how do we live and what our country like. Okay, you see here, it is written here, it is good to show the other people how you live and what your country is like. And sometimes we feel very good, we feel very happy to show the lifestyle of ours to the other person. So just see here, tourists also bring a lot of money to the places they visit. And tourist tourist means, a person who travel from one place to another place to see the monuments, to see the natural beauty, to see the things. That is known as tourist. Okay, so just see here, it is written, tourists also bring a lot of money. Students, as we go to another places for visit, there we also spend so much money. Here in the same way, if a tourist is going to another place, he will also spend so much money on that place. For what? For eating, for lodging. So just see here, it is written here, tourists also bring a lot of money to the places they visit. And a tourist also bring a lot of money to the places where he or she visit. Okay, so just see, they need food to eat and place to stay. And suppose that I went to Delhi and I have to eat there, I have to stay there, then there is not my house. So we have to spend money for eating food, for staying in lodges, in hotels. Okay, so in this way we spend our money to the places where we visit. Okay, so just see here, it is written here, they need food to eat and place to stay. Tourists spend so much money for what? For eating and for staying there, and there are so many things more that we will discuss in the chapter later. Okay students, so in the paragraph number first, it is given that there are so many people who feel very overjoyed and feel very happy when he or she sees the tourist in our country. And sometimes we also feel very good to show how we live and what our country like. And there are so many tourists who also brings a lot of money to the places where they visit. And because they have to spend their nights also, they have to spend, they have to eat, they need food. Okay, so in this way a tourist spends so much money on the places where he visits. Okay students, so it is all about the paragraph number first, and come to the next paragraph. Just see, because of these because of this airport and new roads are built for tourists to use, and because of the tourist only. Okay, because of the tourist there are so many airports, new roads are built, there are so many new roads, there are so many airports have been built for the tourist, so that they could easily reach from one place to another place, so that they could easily visit from one place to another place. Okay, so just see here, electricity and telephones line are brought to the area, and for them, for the tourist, electricity and telephone lines are also brought to the areas. Tourists want to, just not change the page, turn the page. Tourists want to buy souvenirs. Souvenir means gift. Souvenir means gift. You see, buy souvenirs and gift to take home. And tourists also purchase, also buy so many gifts from the places where he visit. Just see. So local people get chance to sell the things they make, and in this way local people get chance to sell the things which he makes. Okay, which he made. And in this way local people also get job. Okay, so just see here, all these things help to give job to the local peoples and improve the prosperity of that area. And in this way the local people of that particular area where tourists are eager to visit, tourists are visiting at that place, they also purchase so many things, they eat there, they stay there, they also purchase gifts from there, from that local place. So in this way local people get jobs, local people earn money. Okay students, so it is given in the paragraph number second that tourists are good for us in so many ways, because there are so many people whose livelihood is depend on that person, on tourist. Okay, come to the next paragraph, paragraph number third. Students, just see, but sadly tourists are not always helpful. But in the paragraph number third it is written that in the paragraph number second we have seen that tourists are good for us, but in the paragraph number third we are getting that tourists are not always helpful. They are not always helpful. They may be sometimes helpful because with them we earn money, but they are not always helpful. It is written here, but sadly tourists are not always helpful. Sometimes they can damage the places they come to see, and sometimes they damages the places they come to see. Okay, suppose that some tourist went to Agra and they wrote so many things on the wall. So in this way they spoil, they make pollution. And suppose that we are throwing the garbage at any places, tourist generally do. Okay, a tourist generally does all these things. So in this way tourists are not always helpful. We will read it in the next line. Just see here why they are not always helpful for us. Sometimes they can damage the places they come to see, sometimes they damages the places, they damage the place they come to see. And many people usually mint a lot of traffic and litter, and litter means garbage. And there are so many tourists who because of them there are so many traffics we find on the road, and we also find litters, garbage on the roads and on the places where they visit. Tourists can turn a quiet, beautiful place into the crowdy, noise and dirty places. It is written here clearly that a tourist can turn a quiet, beautiful place into crowded means bhid bhad, crowded, noisy and dirty places. Okay, there are so many tourists, they turn the quiet places into noisy, they turn the beautiful places into dirty, and you see, tourists can turn a quiet, beautiful place into crowded, noisy, and dirty places. There are so many tourists, and because of them, a beautiful place can be turned into dirty place, and quiet places can be turned into noisy places. Okay, so this is what had happened in the Himalayas, and we also there is an example given, examples of Himalayas given. Just see here, many people visit their snow-clad mountains. There are so many tourists who visited the snow-clad mountains. So even at these heights, you can find litter, and even at those heights, on the mountain top, we also get the litter. Litter means garbage. Okay, so in this way, tourists are not helpful. Tourists are helpful because they give us job. Because of them, there are so many local people get job. But when a tourist make dirty in the places and make the places damaged, in that case, tourists are not helpful for us. Okay, students. So this is the paragraph number 3. Now students, come to the next paragraph, paragraph number 4. Just see, there are many tourist and out of the ways places like wildlife reserves and sanctuaries that people are keen to visit. There are so many people, there are so many beautiful and out of the way places like wildlife reserves, sanctuaries that people are keen to visit. Okay, there are so many tourists who want to visit in wild, in the forest, in the search of peace, in the search of silence. Okay, so just see here, there are many beautiful and out of the way places like wildlife reserves and sanctuaries that people are keen to visit. They go there to escape from the noise and pollution of the city. They go there to escape from the noise and pollution of the cities. There are so many people, those who live in city, they are so much tired with the noise, pollution. There are so many tired, there are too much tired to the pollution. So to escape from all these things, they like to go to the wildlife reserves and sanctuaries, because in that forest they get satisfaction, they get peace, and they also get the pollution less environment. So just see students, it is written here, they go there to escape from the noise and pollution of the city, but this is not always good for the forest and its wildlife. But this is not good for the forest and wildlife. Wildlife means the animals, those who live in wild, those who live in forest. That is not good for them. For animal, it is not good that animals do not want that any people come in the forest. Okay. So this is all about the paragraph number 4, students. Students, if you are getting any kind of problem, you may ask. Now come to the next paragraph, paragraph number 5. Just see, the hope of seeing animals like tiger, elephants attract thousands of tourists to wildlife reserves each year. Dear students, it is written here in the paragraph number 5 that the hope of seeing the wildlife animals such as tigers, elephants, zebras, so many animals, for seeing them there are so many tourists visited. there are so many tourists visit to the wildlife reserves to see all those animals, to see all those wildlife animals. So in this way, what happened with the animal? Modern hunters shoot only with the cameras and not with the guns. Dear students, we all know that modern hunter can shoot only with the cameras only. In the ancient time, the king and the rich people used to go on tour in the forest to for the hunting purpose, and they hunt the animals with arrows and with the so many weapons. But here nowadays we cannot kill any animal. We cannot kill. We can only shoot the animals with cameras. We cannot shoot the animals with a gun. Okay, so just see, it is written. The modern hunters shoot only with cameras, not with the gun, but they can still upset the life of the animals. But the people, the tourists, they upset the life of the wild animals. Okay, the wild animals get disturbed with the people, those who came there to see the animals. Okay, students, so in this way, tourists are not good for the wildlife also. Okay, so students, this is all about the paragraph number 5. Come to the next paragraph number 6. Just see, this is because they visit the sanctuaries with little knowledge of the forest and animals. And why it happens so? Why the animals get disturbed? Because we do not have knowledge about the forest and the lives of, about the living style of the animals. So just see here, it is written, this is because they visit the sanctuaries with little knowledge of the forest and animal. Why the animal disturbed? Why they are not feeling comfortable in the forest? And because we visit there in the wildlife sanctuaries with a little knowledge of forest and animal. They travel on roads in jeep, and tourists travel on the road in jeep and vans, talking loudly and taking pictures with cameras. Dear students, we visit to the forest in jeep or in vans, and we also talk aloud, and in this way animal get disturbed. Just see students, it is written here. Tourists are taken to the places like water holes. Tourists also went to the places where the animals take water. So just see, like water holes where animals usually come together. There are so many animals usually came together to take water, to drink water. As soon as an animal is spotted, the driver speed up to get closer. As soon as the animal is spotted to take water, drivers speed the cars, speed the jeep, speed the vans to get closer. So in this way, when we get closer to the animal feel tired. Animals feel tired, feel fear. Just see, it is written here. Where animals usually come together. As soon as an animal is spotted, the driver speed up to get closer. They get very upset with the noise, and the animals also get very disturbed with the noise of the peoples, of the tourists. You see, they also don't like the vehicles and its people coming too close, and they also do not like, animals do not like to come, don't like vehicles or the people to come closer. Okay, so students, in this paragraph it is written that what the animal like, what the animals like, and what should we do. We generally came closer, we generally visit to the animals very close. So in this way there is a fear in the mind of the animals. So students, in this way animals also get disturbed, so that is not good for animals. So in this way tourists are not useful for us, tourists are not good for us. There are so many ways. In some ways tourists are good for us, but there are so many ways, there are so many things tourists are not good for us as well as for the animals also. Okay students, so this is all about the paragraph number 6. Yes students, you mark here, and I have completed the question answer and exercises also. You read it only, you listen the videos also, and if you are getting any kind of problem, if you are getting any kind of hard work, any kind of difficulties, you may ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.